nations and 7.9 plus billions of humans. I hope we are all in the same page on this very, very crucial, very, very important closure civil justice sign off I'm providing for myself. For I am Vedapriya Prose, true civil lawyer, true civil doctor, true civil supreme judge. And it is because the United States of America, with fatal negligence, created the robocall poverty mandate and enforced poverty to I, and enforced finance disability to I, and enforced finance debt to I, and that is the deadliest crime for United States of America. So I will read out this civil justice sign off in a very fastest way possible to keep it very short. Okay. Victim of abuse, patients billing, medical compensation claims billing process as of February 17th of 2020-21. Prostitution Babylon USA at fault found guilty in all counts of crimes of Vatican. For, with fatal negligence, USA nation created robocall poverty mandate to I Vedapriya Prose, a true civil lawyer, true civil doctor, true civil supreme judge, and prostitution USA nation took away $4,500 in October 2018, and with fatal negligence at fault found guilty USA nation enforced. Crime 1 is USA nation poverty mandated to I Vedapriya Prose. Crime 2 is USA nation finance disability took away $4,500 on October 2018 mandated disability to I Vedapriya Prose. Then crime 3 is USA nation finance debt $10,210.38 mandated to I Vedapriya Prose. So it comes under the crime of USA comes under the classification of domestic violence types and breach of duty, intentional infliction of emotional distress, causation and injury, battery and types, assault and types, and false imprisonment and types, and trespass to land, chattels and types, and at fault found guilty, Supreme Judge Brett Kavanaugh stole the rightful job belonged to I Vedapriya Prose. For I Vedapriya Prose should have been elected as a Supreme Court Judge of USA on October 2018. And just to steal the rightful job belonged to I Vedapriya Prose alone, Republican GOP leader President Trump and Brett Kavanaugh created robocall poverty mandate to I Vedapriya Prose on October 2018. And I Vedapriya Prose wants civil justice now, and that is as of February 2021 today. I Vedapriya Prose wants civil justice according to Holy Bible guidelines only. And Roman province Vatican Jesuits leader Pope Francis must resign now, and the Club of Rome must pay tax-free $1 billion direct deposit to my bank account in next 1 second now. And I Vedapriya Prose to become the Vatican leader now is civil justice served. And I hope we are all in the same page on this regard, my dear fellow mankind. Yes, and I should get the rightful civil justice, and I should get the rightful job offer signed off, and I should get all the salary, national benefits, everything in the rightful way. And I want only United States of government only to provide all those. Okay, so, and that too in front of all nations, in front of entire human kingdom only, I should get the civil justice. Okay, talk to you all soon. Take care. Bye for now. Have a good day.